Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when your Facebook Marketplace isn't available for you. There's a few ways how you can fix this. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, one of the ways to fix it, you want to go ahead to your menu and to the settings. You want to choose settings and privacy, and from here you want to choose settings. On here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you will see tab bar. You're going to choose it. And at the top, you will see customize the bar. So you will see here a marketplace. So if you don't have it here, you want to go ahead to the hidden section at the bottom and maybe remove it from there if it's not available here. And yeah, that's basically it. You will see it here. Now, another way would be to go to your App Store or Google Play Store and here to search for your Facebook and see if there's any updates available for you. So for me, there's no updates, but if you will have an update, you just go ahead, update your Facebook application, and then open it up, and it should fix this problem too. Now, another one which sometimes works is to go ahead here back to your settings and privacy. And at the top, where it says tools and resources, you will see default audience settings. So you want to go ahead and click on default audience settings. And maybe your default audience was set to private, and that's why you don't see your marketplace and it's not available for you. You want to go ahead and choose public option. And that's pretty much it. These are the options how to fix your marketplace isn't available for you. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.